AEIS Australasia College has got more than 15 years of track record in preparing the students for AEIS exams. We have sent hundreds of students in the past to the MOE schools after taking the AEIS Preparatory course in AAC. What we normally do is, when the student first arrive to Singapore and to AEIS Australasia College, we will give them a diagnostic test. The diagnostic test will tell us where they stand in terms of their language proficiency and in their mathematical ability.
We are actually preparing them for their admission exercise into the government school. Here we call it as a GPC program. So there are different strategies that we have implemented for our GPC programs, but one of the strategies that I can share with you is GPC streaming, which is to ensure that students are placed in an appropriate level based on their proficiency in both English and mathematics.
Near to the AEIS exam dates, teachers give additional papers, question papers, other than the weekly and monthly tests which we do.
We hope that the students will have a good learning experience in AAC, and I wish them all the best.